Hello guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your request failed or CCSEH-05 error in Google Play. So let's begin. First, why is this happening? This is actually a payment or subscription error. Now, you just want to check first your payment and subscriptions because usually this happens for various reasons. Number one, uh, your payment option, like credit card or debit card, is incorrect. Okay, we need to make sure that all of those are accurate. Number two, your credit card or your debit card is they have some restrictions or their TUS is affecting the Google Play. So make sure that you have no restrictions at all and you have enough funds for everything you're trying to make payments for, okay? And lastly, actually most of these errors are just the Google Play app outdated. You should update everything, and I trust you. In most cases, this will fix every other error for payments and subscriptions. Updating will actually show up missing features on your account and device, and that's how everything get fixed. Now, after you have confirmed all of those and did all of those, updating your Google Play, go ahead, clear the cache and history, okay, and cookies in your Google Play or website. Then log in again and try to see if everything is fixed. In most cases, it will. However, if not, then you need to change your payment method or contact your credit card or bank company. And still it doesn't, then try to check your internet connection because sometimes slow connections can actually interfere with this. So that's why you will usually get this type of error, the CCSEH-05. But okay, that's it. I hope you find this video very helpful.